Uba Vivek Siem IPS SP ke East Sales District habakran halor ke mukaduma cingsha penyam uraja kubanshi belakadau dan ketidak Sonam Rai Singh Kushwaha Anand Kurmi Vishal Singh Chauhan bu Akash Rajput ulang bak charge ke baar persya igidik sangut antap aktayo balai naiweng arja option ulang bak special investigation team ki pulen klathap ke charge sheet benungkong ke Khlaiñ Hynrei ke Jamin nagmenta jungki ke Shong Īing Kashari.
The second charge sheet is on its way. Once we get the forensic reports from the CFSL Hyderabad, we will actually be able to submit our second charge sheet. So our deadline would be probably, our timeline is probably by first week December we're supposed to submit, but by third week November we should be submitting our charge sheet.
So there is enough ground for the 3 accused also in Sonam case?
Well, let us see first for the forensic report when it comes. There's enough ground, adequate ground as of now, but let us clinch that matter with the forensic report.
There's been a lot of doubt that this will doubt that Sonam will easily get bail. Like, how do you look at this overall assessment?
See, we've built a tight case and all that, and SIT has given a very robust charge sheet. Bail would be, again, like I said, is not it does not depend on the police investigation, but it's on the discretion of the court.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kata ikadur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi panai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy bakongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.